Hello, my beautiful viewers. It's Friday. What's up? So I have the tiller out today, which is not my favorite task in the world, but it must be done. I have 2 entire salad blocks to till today, which means 2 sets of 24-foot wide by 75-foot long crazy areas to till. And this is the area I already got to. I had this under these tarps for, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks. And it killed all of the grass, but it definitely did not have time to break down. But I don't have time to wait for that because I have got to get fall crops in the ground ASAP. So I am tilling it. I just finished with that section, like I said, but it is really, the tiller's really struggling to get through all that dead grass. So I think I'm going to take a really quick hydration and restroom break, and then I'm gonna rake it out. One of my CSA members came to pick up their stuff, so I took the opportunity to take a little tiny break. But now we're back at it. All right, just turned the tiller back off, and my goodness, it barely looks like I made any progress. You can't really tell through the video, but there are spots that are just so thick with dead grass, and it's so dry that the tines just kind of like skid on the top layer of it all. So I'm not really sure what to do about it, but I have this whole area over here to also till. So I think I'm gonna take a little break from this spot right behind me that I've been working on and move on to the other spot. But first I have got to change into shorts because I am sweating to death. Actually, I just remembered that I need to change the water over to the other drip zone. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Want to know something real funny? You're currently being held up by a weed. Yes, I have a weed so tall and so strong that it can hold up my camera. Good job, Sydney. Now we just gotta find a spot to check and make sure it's working. Let's look at the basil. Feels cool, like water's coming through. Come on, basil, you can do it. There we go. So satisfying. It's probably more satisfying if I speed it up. Alright, drip is clearly on and running. Time to put on those shorts. Alright, I don't even remember what the last thing I said to you guys was because I'm freaking tired. It is like 2 something in the afternoon. I can't even describe how hot it is, and I just want to go home. So here are the things that I have to get done before that can happen. Compost needs to go there. Tiller needs to go there. And all these tarps and row bags all need to go all the way over there as well. So I'm going to try to put this dang camera down, and here's a really quick montage of me doing all the things so that I can finally go home because I'm so hot and tired. Just checked and it's not supposed to rain again until like Tuesday, and it's currently Friday, so kill me. Last one, gotta get it in there, and here we go. Isn't even so bad. All right, it's the next day, but what do you know? I never finish videos when I start them. So thank you so much for watching another farm vlog. Oscar's chewing on some grass. I am in the middle of starting some soil blocks while CSA members come and pick up their stuff, and then I'm going to the farm for another day. So if you would like to see that and keep up with what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe. In the meantime, go grow something.